Hey guys, what's up? This is Snowlumper 2009 here, or 2008, sorry. Getting a little bit of a confusion about the year. Okay, so I haven't been posting videos a lot lately because one, my finals are coming up, and two, I got to study for them. And the last point I want to make is that I have a lot of tests in the next week and a half, so I can't do any videos. This is my last video, and for like the month. I'm not going to be doing another video for at least another 2-3 weeks. So I'm really sorry about that. But I just have a lot of work right now, and my backlog is getting worse and worse each day. I have a lot of stuff to do. So I had to squeeze in making this video in about 3 minutes. So hopefully I can upload it quickly to YouTube. So this is my doc video. What's on my docs, to be more specific. And as you can see, my doc, it's pretty clean looking. There's a lot of stuff going on in there, like, this icon. I'll show you how to get that later. So let's begin. First, I have Finder. It's basically you find a lot of things. You can manipulate files. Dashboard. Yeah, you probably know what that is. Mail. It's a mail client. Really nice. Better than like Entourage or Thunderbird or whatever else you guys could use. Safari 4. This is not Safari 3. I'm using Safari 4 4.x. It has an optimized JavaScript engine, which the 3.x versions do not. So I get a faster speed and performance. Next up, I have Firefox. Firefox is another good web browser. I used to use 3 browsers: Firefox, Netscape, and Safari. But Netscape went kaput, and Firefox bought Netscape, I think. So Firefox, good browser. A lot of plugins you can use. Address Book holds all my address books and names and whatnot for iChat. iChat does like a bunch of names, like a bunch of SN screen names, and I use Address Book to cover over those names, so I don't have to remember who's who. It's really useful because yeah. So instead of memorizing a screen name and knowing some random screen name is some guy, I just use Address Book and put a name in there, so it associates the screen name with the real name. Photo Booth. It takes pictures using your webcam. It can take multi shots. You can add filters, backdrops, take little short clips of video. Although Photo Booth, do not use it for long video. I've recorded a lot of my YouTube videos with Photo Booth, and the video was crap. The quality was good, but sometimes it's just I would record 10 minutes, but it would actually record like 3 minutes, and really pissed off because after 7 minutes I talk for nothing. iCal. It's a calendar, really nice to use when you have meetings or whatnot. Preview. You can view pretty much a lot of files, like anything. Like you can view images, documents, etc. iTunes. Self-explanatory. If you don't know what this is, you're in big trouble. iPhoto. iPhoto is a photo management software by Apple. I'm currently running the iLife 08 suite and the iWork 09 suite. I will be getting iLife 09 when it comes out, which is another 1 or 2 weeks. QuickTime Player. It's QuickTime Player. I did buy the Pro version for $30, $29.99. QuickTime Player. There's a new update that came today, I think, or yesterday, somewhere around there. It's 7.6, and we used to have 7.5.5. iMovie. Again, I'm running iLife 08, so it's iMovie 08. I do not have iMovie 06, but I suspect that once I upgrade to iMovie 09 and the iLife 09 suite, I don't need to have iLife. I mean iMovie 06. I could just use one video editor, not two. Not guitar. GarageBand. I said guitar because I saw it took guitar for the icon. GarageBand's audio editor. You can make sounds. You can create sounds. You can edit sounds. You can delete sounds. You can basically audio manipulation. Terminal. Terminal. It's command line. Command line is really useful for programmers like me, and I use it regularly. Xcode. It's my programming. I use a lot of Xcode's tools and stuff, making iPhone applications and whatnot. TextEdit, a very basic text editor. I use it sometimes when I'm doing text manipulation, and I need a big clipboard with multiple items inside. Microsoft Project Gallery. It's just you can launch any kind of any of the Office applications for Microsoft Office for Mac. Instead of having about 5 icons on your dock for Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Entourage, Messenger, whatever, you can just have this, and it launch it, select what kind of document you want to create, and it will open an appropriate program. Next up, we have Spaces. Very useful. I'm not using it right now, but when I do a lot of multitasking, I do use Spaces a lot. Really nice. Time Machine. I do not use Time Machine. I do admit I do not use Time Machine because one, I don't keep any data on this computer. This computer is just like a shell with no personal data inside. All my data is kept on my external, and if my external fails, I'm screwed. But the same principle hold true if Time Machine backed up to an external and external failed. Same story. Oops, Activity Monitor. To get this little icon, all you have to do is really just go to View, Dock Icon, show CPU usage, and it will show the CPU usage in live time. You can select how like when. Let's see, update frequency here. You can do very often, normally, or less often. So yeah. System preferences. You can change your settings, manipulate behaviors, that type of thing. Change wallpapers, screensavers, etc. ScreenFlow. I'm using this to record the screen. Really, it's the best one. Okay, ScreenFlow is the best piece of software I've for screencasting. Jing is cool, but Jing it outputs Flash files, which you do not want. Flash files suck in terms of file size to the video length. Flash is just it bogs down your whole CPU. I really recommend using ScreenFlow because when you use iShowU, a lot of it's pixelated. If you move a window too fast, it's pixelated. ScreenFlow captures every frame, every milliframe, whatever. And it's very clear and crystal, and it's just not blurry. Application stack. I do have an application stack with a lot of other applications. I do have Final Cut Express and Handbrake. Yeah, and also have like other stuff like Twitterrific, VLC, Transmission, yada yada. Okay, document stack. I'm not gonna open this one because I have a lot of school projects and stuff inside. I don't want you guys to see. It's not inappropriate or anything. It's just that I don't want you guys to see what I'm doing, what I'm working on. Yeah. Download stack. I don't have any of my download stock because I haven't downloaded anything in a long while. But I did point all my browsers to download to the download stack. Trash can. Self-explanatory. So this is my dock. I hope you guys like it. It's not a very complicated dock. It's just default dock theme, default dock skin, everything. Nothing changed, nothing modified. And so yeah, thanks for watching this, and I'll have an icon changing video next time. With drawers. If you know what those are like stacks, but then you have a drawer instead of a stack. So I'll show you guys how to do that in my next video. Peace, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and one more thing. If any of you guys are taking finals, I wish you guys good luck because we both really need it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and this is Snow Leopard 2008. Peace out.